Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add documents in DocuSign Rooms. This is a straightforward process that allows you to upload and prepare documents for signature, making it easy to manage your agreements digitally. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your information to access your DocuSign account. This step gets you into the platform where all your document management happens. After logging in, look at the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll see several options for navigating the platform. Click on Agreement. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing documents that require signatures, so it's exactly where we need to be for this task. Now, in the upper left panel of your screen, you'll notice a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the process of creating a new agreement and opens up the interface where you can begin uploading your documents. Next, you'll see an Upload option appear. Click on Upload, and from the menu that appears, select Desktop. This allows you to browse the files stored on your computer. A File Explorer window will pop up, giving you access to all your local documents. Browse through your folders and select the document you want to add to DocuSign Rooms. Once you've found the right file, click Open. The document will then upload to the platform, and you'll see it appear in your workspace. This is the foundation of your agreement. If you need to add more documents to the same agreement, the process is just as simple. Just repeat the previous step by clicking Upload again, then selecting Desktop. Choose the additional document you want to include and click Open. You can add as many documents as needed for your agreement, and they'll all be organized together in one package. With your documents uploaded, it's time to add recipient information. Below the document preview, you'll see a text field where you can enter the recipient's name. Type in the name of the person who needs to sign or review the document. Right below that, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. This email will be used to send them the document and notify them when action is required. Next, you'll need to enter a subject and message. The subject line should briefly describe what the document is about, while the message can include any specific instructions or context you want to provide to the recipient. This helps ensure clear communication about what's being sent. Once you've filled in all the recipient details, click Next in the bottom right corner. This moves you forward to the document preparation stage where you can add fields for the recipient to interact with. Give it a moment to load the next screen. On the left sidebar, you'll now see a variety of field options you can add to your document. These include signature, initial, stamp, date signed, name, text, number, and other standard fields. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your document wherever you need the recipient to provide information or sign. This customization ensures your document is ready for completion. Finally, once you've placed all the necessary fields and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Send in the bottom right corner. This will deliver the document to your recipient and begin the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully added and prepared documents in DocuSign Rooms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.